Today we show you how to use this A3 DTF printer to make the prints you want.
Step 1. Simply enter the image you want to print on your computer.
Dual-head printing is more efficient, and you can print whatever you want. Multicolor printing offers you more freedom and possibilities. You are free to combine and match colors to create unique and personalized artwork according to your own preferences and needs. If you want to print on t-shirts, then you can choose your DTF printer. You can make better cost savings according to your budget. Step 3. Cut the transfer paper after the printing is completed. Step 4. Shape the pattern. It's perfect no matter how you wrap it.